Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites, unlocked elemental sight, and a suitable character. Once done, equip the character whose element you need, then approach the marked area cautiously. Use the minimap to position yourself within range and stand still to avoid interrupting the activation. Make sure to conserve stamina and disable sprinting. This prevents accidental combat. Begin by holding the elemental sight button and watch for visual cues that indicate a successful lock-on. Once elemental sight is active, hold it and observe color highlights. Each element shows distinct particles and flow directions. You should follow the flow to find resource nodes, puzzle triggers, or hidden objects. Make sure to rotate your camera slowly to reveal occluded paths and overlapping element sources. When two flows intersect, prioritize the one matching your current objective. Move stepwise, release elemental sight briefly to cross gaps, then re-engage to confirm the next cue before proceeding. Finish by using the indicated elemental skill or interacting with the revealed object to collect rewards. If elemental sight seems unresponsive, re-equip the detecting character, toggle sight off and on, and reposition the camera. This often resets the flow. Make sure no enemies or weather effects are masking signals. If a puzzle still resists, backtrack the flow to the last confirmed node and repeat the activation sequence slowly. When all else fails, leave the area and return to force a respawn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.